Hello there, this video is for you if you want to start affiliate marketing but you don't have money. If you're interested in making a whole lot of money from affiliate marketing but you don't have money to start, this video is for you. But before I ride on, don't forget to subscribe. This is Emmy Akama. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when next I put up a video. And don't forget to like the video, it favors the video for the YouTube algorithm, and the algorithm actually thinks the video is worthwhile. So they push it. So thanks guys, let's dive right in case you're an affiliate marketer and or you want to begin affiliate marketing but you don't have money to join a platform rather, because in Nigeria there's a Nigerian platform called Expertnaire. To join Expertnaire is $20, 10,000 naira. So in case you don't have that money or you don't have money to run ads or all of that, there's actually a way you can make money. Then after you make money, you start running ads, you start pushing products and all of that. So how do you start affiliate marketing and make money before running ads, before building a fancy sales funnel like I have and doing all of those stuff? The first thing is actually speaking to a product owner one-on-one. You don't join a platform, you don't join Expertnaire or any other platform, Clickbank, JVZoo. You don't join any, you just speak to a product owner. Maybe you're interested in, let's say, the health niche. What do? You pick a product in the health niche, you speak to a product owner directly, you tell the person you want to affiliate for the person's product. Affiliates are in high demand right now, so you're in high demand. You can actually speak to the person. Don't need to be shy, don't need to hide, speak directly, tell them you want to affiliate for their product and see how much commission they offer. If you can work with that, then you're good to go. I think the minimum you should agree with is 50%. That's the minimum. You can go with 60, 70, not less than 50%, because you're marketing, you're advertising, and you're closing the sale. You're handling everything yourself as the affiliate. So I think 10-20% commission won't be a good fit for you, right? So what do? You pick a product. Like, imagine I'm interested in the health niche. I can meet probably one of my friend or someone I know that is in the health niche that creates products, maybe a course, and tell the person how to affiliate for him. How much can you offer me? How many percentage can you offer me? The person tells me the percentage. If it's not okay for me, I counter it. If he doesn't agree, I move on to the next person, right? It's not by force. So after agreeing with the product owner, then you move to the next step. Instead of joining a platform with thousands of products, you actually start with one product. After promoting that one product and you make massive sales, that's when you move to a platform with thousands of products, right? So after joining the platform, what next do? You agree on a payment gateway. All right, you have to make it automatic. Formerly, before, it used to be only physical product. There was no internet, so it was not automatic, and affiliates were being cheated, right? Affiliates were being cheated. When you bring a product, instead of giving me the full commission, you just give me a part and you throw me. Affiliates were neglected. But in a digital age, you're promoting a digital product, so you can actually automate everything using payment platforms. As at this point in Nigeria, I think seller.co works well, and a whole host of others too, but the one I know very very well is Seller, and that's the one I can recommend. Seller.co, seller.co. So you can use that gateway to actually automate the payment. That way you cannot be cheated. So immediately a person buys through your link, Seller automatically divides the money, gives you affiliate commission, and gives the person his part of the payment. Seller does that. So the moment a person buys, automatically the payment reaches your bank account. Seller separates it for you. So after agreeing on which payment method to use, you start recommending it to people around you. Now at this point, you don't pick a product that you resonate with, because you don't have money. So lack of money is lack of choice, lack of freedom, right? So that's my biggest motivation for making money, actually, freedom. So at this point, you don't have freedom, so you will need to pick a product that people around you are interested in, a product that people around you actually want, a product that people around you need, a product that if you can refer it to people around you, they will sell. That's one of the reasons most people actually start affiliate marketing on Amazon, because they can actually recommend books to friends easily, and friends will easily buy, even though the commissions are lower, 10, 20, 30%, but as long as people buy at that point, I think you should be okay with that, right? So you actually need to get a product that you can recommend with two people around you. The third step is recommending it to people around you. You can just message your friend, hey bro, I read this book and it's mind blowing. I would like you to actually read it. Send him the link. He goes on Amazon, gets the book, and you get your commission, right? So I think you can do that for a digital product too. You can go to a product owner, get a product, and promote, recommend to people around you, put it out on your social media platforms. There are actually places that allow you to put ads for free. You can actually use that. Start putting out content about that product that you're promoting. Put out content about the product you're promoting, and after a while you begin to make sales. Most times the organic method doesn't bring sales immediately, but you're actually going to make sales. You're actually going to make sales if you do it well. Alright, so that's what I would advise any newbie with no money to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications to get notified on my future videos. I'm going to put out a lot of content on customer avatar, how to know who you are selling to, your ideal client, right? So how to create a lead magnet to actually promote that product, and a whole host of other topics I'm going to be covering. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and stay tuned. Also like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will think it's worthwhile, because I believe you've gotten massive value, right? So let the YouTube algorithm think it's worthwhile and let it push it for me. So thanks guys, thanks for staying through. Once again, my name is Emmy Agama. Peace out.